Give Mom one. Round up in the air. Good. Keep it going. Got it. Keep it going. Good job. Isn't that neat? That's so cool. Look at Preston say cheese. Cheese. Oh, I get one too. Say cheese at Preston. Hey, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Don't touch it. Throw it right in here on the ground. It's okay. There you go. There, honey. Go look at Nana. Look at Grandma. Hey. You and Grandma do it together.
That's
you're ready.
fire.
I got it.
Is that cool? Yeah.
I'm going to have to put my glasses on and download.
The ones in the bags are the old ones. That's what you got with the wire.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the real wire ones?
Yeah. Nasty wire ones.
Keep going. Don't stop.
Don't catch on fire.
Big circle. Yep, just like that. Like this. Bring it over here.
Thank you.
Very hot. You want more?
Yes, Ryder, this one's going to burn fast.
It's going to be a firework.
Remember where you hold it on the bottom?
Jacket.
This one makes all kinds of fun.
Good, thank you.
Sure?
Yeah.
Leave it out there. Oh, wait a minute. Let me try it again. Yeah, try it again. Dude, they're not making this easy.
Oh.
There we go, ready? Alright, pretty colors.
Look at that one. Look, Preston. Look at that. Make a big circle with it. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Whoa.
Oh, cool. It's shooting sparks in the air. Wow. Don't get sparks on you. Oh, now it's green. Now it's green. Look, it's green.
Why is he not liking it?
He's a little afraid when it started shooting sparks.
Or shoot.